Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is me teaching you a magic trick. It's a simple magic trick you can do. It's really easy to do. You can teach anyone, just grab your favourite deck of cards and I'll teach you. I'll show you, I'll drop a card first. I will show you how to do the trick. First I have to show you the trick, of course. Now, it starts by getting a spectator. Actually, no, we can shuffle it first. You can shuffle it first if you want. Well, shuffle it. Hearts and 10. Well, not really. But what we can do is we get the deck down. We get our spectator to cut the deck into four. There you go. You split the deck into 4 piles. Now, yes, the spectator pick this card up. So I'm going to pretend to be the spectator. We take our top 3 cards and we put them to the bottom. We then put a card, put it down. Do it for this next lot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's a very simple premise. That's 1 card on the floor. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Final one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, I forgot to say the premise of this. The premise of this is I'm teaching you how to cheat at cards. So it's a very simple method that poker players use all across the world to cheat at cards. Now, as we know, the aces are very important in cards. So by cutting that however you want it, you can actually get them that you can't see because of the light. The top cards are the aces. Now it's time to teach you how to do that trick. It's a very simple trick. It's almost self-working, which is great because it's great for beginners because you can teach that you don't even have to do anything. Now all we have to do, we can start by shuffling the deck. You can use the overhand shuffle that I taught previously or any shuffle you want. You can even get the spectator to do it. Now, you get given the deck back. Now I didn't have to do this in the thing because I had it already set up. But what we're going to go is we're going to look through the cards and we're going to go and find our aces, which will hopefully be here somewhere. When we find our aces, which are on the top, but let's just pretend they aren't. Let's pretend they're in the middle, there. What we're going to do is we're going to bring them down to the bottom, just physically placing them at the bottom, and scroll the cards up. Now the aces are at the bottom. Now, using the control that I taught in the last video, which I'll show again now, we're going to take the bottom cards and bring them to the top. It's very simple to do. All we have to do is overhand shuffle till we're most of the way. Now we just do one at a time, 1 card at a time into the other hand. So like that. Now, if we look at our top cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, they are the 4 aces. They're the 4 aces. So we put them back on the top. We now put the deck on top. We're going to put them face up just to make it easy to show. You wouldn't, of course, do this in the actual performance. We're going to put them face up so you can see what's going on. Put it there. Of course, you can't see because of the camera angle. I'll bring them forward. I'll put them there. Okay. Now, all you have to do, very simple. You have to get them to cut. You can't see that, of course. Bring them back. If they cut however you want, they just need to cut it into 4. Now, all 4 aces are on the top there. All 4 of them. Okay. I'm just going to remove this because it's in the way. Now, yeah, this is definitely what you need to do. Have the 4 piles. And as I showed you in the tutorial. They take, not the tutorial, the original thing. 1, 2, 3, put them to the bottom. 1, 2, 3. So there's one card on top of that. Okay. 1, 2, 3 to the bottom. 1, 2, 3. This is actually, they're doing this, not you. But I'm just showing you. 1, 2, 3 to the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Now, we're now on the final deck, which is the one with the aces in. We put our top 3 cards, which are the random cards from there, put them to the bottom. We now put 1 ace, 2 ace, 3 ace, and the final ace is already there. We then say, as we know, the ace is very good, or the patter. We then get them to flip it over, so it would be flipping it face up, and then they'd find out that all of the top cards are aces. Hopefully you found that helpful, and you can do it to amaze your friends.